guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dinsi Pidappa. So today I am going to review a few products that I ordered from Flipkart, and for my outro I have my niece sitting right here, Ruby. She's going to tell you hi.
Hi guys!
And yeah, so let's just start with the video. So the first product that I ordered was the Nano Mist Sprayer. Okay, so I really wanted to try these products and then probably give a review on these. So this is very important for the situation that we are in. So usually people put water on this and have a mist spray on their face when you're really tired, but I think now we use this as a sanitizer sprayer. So I'm gonna put the liquid sanitizer inside this and then spray it. So this is how, I hope you guys can see it. So this is how it's gonna be, and you can sanitize anything. You can sanitize your phone, your wallets, your money, anything you can just sanitize with this, and it is really helpful. They give you a USB wire as well, and you can probably connect it and charge it and use it accordingly. So I think this is a big yes, and I will leave the link and the product in the description box with the cost and everything, so you people can probably see that. And yeah, so that's all about it. So I think this is a big yes. It's very useful, guys. You guys can have them, and it's not that expensive also. And the next thing that I ordered is the eyelash curler. So it's not really expensive, and you get 2 colors for like really less price. And I broke my eyelash curler, so I had to order another one. So I ordered 2 of them, and the quality is not that great because you're paying really less price. I think for the price it's worth it, guys. So I really liked it. It's a yes again. Okay, and yeah, so next one that I ordered is mask. I know we all need masks. So third product is mask. And yeah, so I ordered from Flipkart again. So it's in the brand Allen Solly, and you get like a bunch of masks, and it's really good. I've been using it right now. Yeah, this one she has baby mask. Okay, so you get this one, and then this one, and then white, and then green. So yeah, this is also not that expensive, for about 400-500 bucks. I'll leave everything in the description box, guys, and it's really worth, and it's really good. So I can probably show you one, and they have their logo right here. Okay, they have their logo right here, and it's really good. And again, it's a yes. And then I ordered a couple of brushes. I really have no idea. I just went mad on brushes, and I really wanted to see the quality, and I ordered a lot of them. Okay, I'm sure Rudy loves brushes. Do you?
Yes.
Yeah, she loves brushes. She loves makeup, right, Rudy? You love makeup? Yeah, she loves makeup, guys. So you have no idea. She comes to my house, she applies all my makeup, and she's so happy. And even now she's not letting me do any video without her. So I thought I'll get in with her and make a video. So you guys need to like, share, and subscribe at least for her. Okay, so yeah, so the brushes that I was talking about, like a lot of them. Okay, so first let me just pick this. So you get this in a packet like this, and they're again not expensive, guys. So if you guys want to like, yeah, makeup. She wants brushes now. Okay, so if you guys want to invest, not okay investing a lot of money, you need to invest a lot of money on brushes because it lasts for long. But yeah, again, if you guys don't want to spend so much money, you can guys go for this. I really like white. They have a lot of collections. Okay, don't drop it down. Okay, so yeah, so again, they have a lot of collections, guys. They have unicorn colors, and they have a lot of them that I saw, but I personally love white color. So I ordered a white color brush, and yeah, they're really not expensive, guys. So they're really affordable, and they're really nice. Not expensive, and these are good. I hope you guys can see them. So they are really good. Okay, so you can probably give it a shot, right, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
You love Dinu's brush?
Yeah.
How much do you love?
So much.
So much. Okay, give it to me. We put it back, okay? Yeah. So the next brush that I ordered was, when I ordered this brush, I didn't realize it didn't have a highlighter brush, okay? So I really thought highlighter brush is a must. Trust me, guys, these are all from Flipkart. And yeah, so this is a fan brush, and you can probably get a proper stroke, with this. And yeah, so this is again, it doesn't fall off. That's what make me feel that, you know, the brush is of good quality. So they are really good. You like the brush?
Yeah.
How much do you like the brush?
So much.
So much. Okay, you're not gonna put it on your mouth. Okay, it's only for your cheeks. Which is your cheek? Good girl. Okay, so yeah, I think yeah. Last but not the least, I ordered for this. Okay, I ordered for a bra. So I really wanted to try this because I know most of us are not comfortable wearing not as like strapless bras and stuff. So I really wanted to try this, but I think I can give a 3.5 out of 5. Huh?
Better, but no.
Yeah, you will definitely tell me. You don't know, you don't wear them. You don't wear this. How will you know? You wear this?
No.
Yeah. Okay. So yes, guys. Yeah. So this is, I can give you 3.5 or 3 out of 5. So yeah, I think you can try them. I think you can have one on your wardrobe if you're comfortable enough to wear this. Okay. So I think that is it, and we are done with the video, and I hope this was helpful. And yes, so I loved all of them. I've ordered a lot of stuff, and I even ordered Mod Podge, so it's on its way. And for most of you guys who don't know what Mod Podge is, I'm gonna do a video on that. So yeah, let's just keep that a secret. And yes, guys, so that's all about today's video, and we are gonna like play after this.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So it's all about it, and you know the drill. What are you gonna do? Like?
Like, share, subscribe.
Exactly, you're gonna like, share, and subscribe. So love you all.
Mwah.
Take care, stay home, stay safe, and yeah, keep watching. Bye bye.
Again, come.
Bye bye, guys. Love you all. Mwah.